I'll guide you through how to reverse a video on CapCut the easy way, whether on a mobile app or a desktop PC. If you're looking to add a cool, unique effect to your videos, or perhaps you want to fix an accidental forward-playing clip and you want to reverse a video on CapCut, this tutorial will walk you through the complete steps. If you're ready, subscribe to the 3 Minutes Fix channel and let's jump right in. From the CapCut app, select the video from your device's gallery that you wish to reverse. On PC, you can simply drag and drop your video into the CapCut media library. Once your video is in the media library, tap Add for mobile or drag it onto the timeline for PC. Your video will then appear on the CapCut timeline. Next, tap the video clip on the timeline to select it. Remember, you must highlight the video clip for the reverse tool to activate. This will bring up a menu of editing options at the bottom of the screen. For PC users, the tools directly on top of the timeline will activate. For mobile, swipe through the options at the bottom until you find reverse, which looks like this. For PC, hover your mouse over the tiny tool icons just above the timeline until you find the reverse icon. It may be hidden under another tool with such icon. Tap on it. CapCut will then begin processing your video. This might take a few moments, depending on the length and quality of your video. You'll see a progress bar indicating the reversal process. Remember, you must tap to highlight the video clip for the reverse tool to activate. Once the processing is complete, your video is ready to play in reverse. Play back your video in the preview window to see the results of the reversal. If you're happy with it, click the Export button at the top corner to save your video. By this, you have successfully reversed a video on CapCut using either the mobile app or desktop PC. If you found this tutorial useful, please consider giving it a like. If you have any questions, comment below, and I'll respond. Click this card to explore more CapCut video tutorials. Thanks for watching.